Here's the game in full screen. The only shortcut you need to remember is tab and then space. So tab, space. You can also restart by clicking the top right button. You can toggle the audio on and off. You can switch between the themes. If you want a certain seed, go over here, type the number you want, then press the lock. Now when you type and restart, the words will stay exactly the same. Over here you can switch between the time modes. Now when you start typing, the timer will start ticking down. And as you can see, as I was typing, each jammer lights up. The correct key is different in every theme, but mistakes will appear red. You can clear mistakes with backspace. Also remember to press space between the words, as that also registers as a mistake. When the timer finishes, you'll be shown this stats screen. Here's the estimated words per minute and estimated keys per minute, as well as the raw version, which is the same thing but ignoring mistakes.